Ooh. Hi guys, Amelia here. Hello! Here is a second vlog. We've just arrived at, oh look, our little kitty cat's waiting for us. Hello! Literally, they sit by our door. But basically what I was about to say is that we've arrived in Gili Air and we've just had a little earthquake, which was really scary. Laurie was on the phone to his mum outside and I was in here just catching up on Instagram and stuff. And the villa shook and I was like, either someone's upstairs or someone's just like leant against our like hut, but no one was there. And then one of the girls I know via Instagram, she messaged me and she was just like, oh my god, we just had a mini earthquake. And I was like, oh my god, that was so weird. So that was quite freaky. But yeah, so we've just arrived at Gili Air. Had a really good time in Lombok. Our last stop was in Sengigi and it was really nice. I just had a couple of days off for vlogging just because I felt a bit run down. I felt like I just needed to give a bit of a break and then re-energise and I'm back on track. But yeah, so if you saw on my Instagram stories, we went to Sengigi, did like waterfalls and everything like that. And yeah, just chilled. It was really nice. So yeah, so here we are. I'll give you a little room tour of our new crib. So, I don't know, it looks really messy. Comes with a cat. Cat's not included. So we have, this is our downstairs bit, so it's like these double windows. And then you've got like a little sofa bed. Oh, Marcus will sleep there.
Could do, to be fair.
Water, desk area. We've literally exploded our suitcases. And some shelves. You come in here. I don't want to go in here too much because there's a spider somewhere and it's really jumpy. But as you can see from here, it's a bathroom with a shower, nice sink, and then, hi cat. These are the stairs. It's like an adult playhouse. That's the best way to describe it. I can't speak today. And this is our room. So cute. So we are staying in a hostel called Begadang. I'll leave it on the screen. And so basically they have loads of like huts and some like dorms where everyone can stay. And they have just built these new huts. And this is actually the first one, isn't it? And we literally had to walk. Oh my god, we had to do like a 20-minute walk with like all our backpacks on our backs. In like the middle of the day. It was horrific and literally, yeah,
so much.
It was horrible.
My shoulders are so red now as well. Let's calm down a little bit. Oh hey.
But yeah, those. But we've made it. We've had some food, really nice food as well, and it's quite like reasonable as well, which was fabulous. We paid £25 a night for this place,
quite expensive.
Which is quite expensive, but at the same time, and it's not including breakfast, which is like a. So this is the most expensive we have spent so far on staying. But the good thing about it, which Laurie loved about it, was that it is like a hostel environment, so it's like really sociable and stuff. So we can get in on all the activities and make friends. Isn't that right, Lorenzo?
That is right.
You want to make friends?
Yeah, you're pretty boring, to be fair.
Oh, okay. We're going to go for a little ride and we're going to go and book Mowie, which is a bar on the beach. We're going to book that for sunset. So, yeah. He's hiding behind the menu. He's got sunburn. You okay, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know what you're getting for dinner?
Yeah. That must be soon.
Bless you. Can I drink? Good morning, guys. So we are off snorkeling today. We are with the place called Lucky Snorkeling or something like that, or Lucky Dive. I'll leave it down below. Yeah, we just had a really nice chilled night last night. I got a bit ill. I had a bit of a headache, so we took it quite relaxed, like quite chilled last night. But yeah, so we're snorkeling until like 1 o'clock today, and apparently there's going to be loads of turtles. Vlog as much as I can. But yeah, no, our place is really nice. We're staying at Begadang. It's a hostel, but luckily we got this hut, so it's just me and Laurie in the hut. But yeah, no, it's really nice and everyone's really nice there, so would definitely recommend that. But there is loads of beautiful huts and hotels and around here, so yeah, so many beautiful places to stay. We just had some breakfast this morning, and yeah, we're heading off snorkeling, which is really exciting. But yeah, take you along with us. No idea where I have vlogged the last time. I've just had this massive headache for the last couple of days and it's really been frustrating. So I haven't really wanted to be talking to anyone. I've been having early nights. Just, I don't know what it is, and I've been drinking loads of water now, and I took some tablets last night, so hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will be fine. We are off to, I think, either Captain Coconuts or Gili Bliss. These are the two restaurants I really want to go to. Gili Bliss I went to a couple of years ago and I was obsessed with, and I met the lady, and when I came a couple of years ago it literally just started, and now it's this like full grown like Instagram smoothie bowl haven. But the owner's so lovely and does the best smoothie bowls in the world, so yeah, that'll be really nice to see her. So we'll either go there or Captain Coconuts, which is another place. Room service!
Morning, terima kasih. How sick is this?
So cute. Yeah, so we are getting bikes and going for breakfast. Had a lovely smoothie bowl at Gili Bliss, and then we just like rode around the island for a bit, and now we found this beautiful spot. Just like, I don't know what side of the island it is, but it's absolutely stunning. It's really quiet. It's like more the quiet side of the island. We're just chilling here today, and the guys have just gone to get some nice coffees, and this is my view. That's my view. What a dream. It's so gorgeous here. And I also got the classic shell bracelet. Oh yeah.
Your sexy boyfriend in it?
Right. Ready? Hello. Hi. You chilling? Meow. Hey, baby. Oh, is that nice? So good. He's like pulling himself. You look very pink.
Do I? Do I look good? Wait, hold on. This is the look.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put that thing in and it goes, oh yeah. Cheers guys.
Not bad.
Chin chin. Instagram first reality. I'm like so sweaty today, it's really hot. But we are off to Gili Teak today, me, Laurie and Margot. So we will take you along with us, but first we have a like 20-minute walk with all our bags. So this is the not so nice part of the travels. We've just got to take, I've got like, I think mine's like 15 kg, Laurie's is like 16 kg.
More than that with your little bag.
Yeah, and he's got my bag in there, bless him, with the laptop. We were trying to attach it onto mine, but my legs were like going so wobbly, so that wasn't good. But yeah, we had a chill night last night. I watched sunset, then we had some dinner at a local place near us, which was really, really good.
Very cute.
Really cute.
Really
and we you could see the guy making all the food. It was incredible. And yeah, we just chilled, had a really early night. And now we are off to Gili Teak for a night. And then off to Seminyak. Here we go! We're off to Gili Teak!
What the hell is going on?
Where are we going? Sunset. Buy one, get one free. Come with me. We're just heading off to go for a coffee, and then we are getting the boat at 11 o'clock, but we need to be there at 10:30, and then I guess that will be the end of this Gili Island vlog. I don't know how much I filmed, but I hope it's somewhat entertaining. We had one night here at Gili Teak and it was eventful to say the least.
It was more to see what's here rather than party. I mean,
yeah,
it's Ramadan, so.
I prefer Gili Air by far still. Like there was like a strip on the beach which was like really nice, but like that was it, wasn't it? To be fair, we didn't go around the whole island, so we can't really.
Not every single inch though.
No.
A lot of it.
No, but yeah, so that was kind of interesting, and then it chucked it down with rain, so we were stuck in the rain in this restaurant, which the restaurant was actually really nice. It's called Gili Teak. I'll leave the name down below. Gili Teak, like Teak. Yeah. And then we came home, and I actually didn't sleep last night because these boys like came in at like 2:30, like shouting, throwing up, and then I thought there was like a massive gecko outside our window, which you can hear. It's so loud. I should have filmed it. That was going on, and then is it Ramadan? I don't know if it's Ramadan. I'm just vlogging. Ramadan went on at like 4:40, and it just all went off, and Mills couldn't sleep. But yeah, so we are off for coffee, and that will be it from me, from this one. So the next vlog will be Seminyak and Laurie's birthday.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. So it's a goodbye from me, and it's a goodbye from the team. Bye.
Alicia, bye.